Hi, my name is Harry Horn. I'm from the company Scala. Welcome to ISE 2020. One of the solutions that we have at the show is the Endless Aisle, which completely abides to the concept of start anywhere, finish anywhere. So basically you can start your purchase or your journey online and finish it in store, or the other way around. So basically you can start adding your profile into your grocery store or your beauty store, and basically pick and choose whatever you want. It's completely it's connected to the guided selling concept, meaning that you can have your shopping cart be filled and have it brought to your house, or pick up your products immediately at curbside. For more information, visit www.scala.com, and hope to see you again.